Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Itasca County in north-central Minnesota, southwestern Cushiting County in north-central Minnesota, until noon Central Daylight Time. At 10:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mizpah, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Itasca and southwestern Cushiting counties, including the following locations: Worth, Craigville, and Boy Fort Van Deer Creek area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Minnesota: Cushiting, northeast Itasca and northwest Itasca,